Okay, flip the breaker. Okay, test it again. Okay, no power. All right, now start by taking the... Okay. Now, test one more time. Okay. Now, pull this out. Okay, keep pulling. Just pull the switch and grab right here. Grab it like this and pull it out just to right there. Yep, okay, leave it. So, now it's important to look. This is the line going out up to the light. This is the line coming down that comes to this outlet. Everything's tied together. But, so what we're gonna do is poke a little bitty screwdriver. Let me make sure we're on camera.
It's so tiny.
Yep. It'd be easier this way. So you're going to poke a little screwdriver into there. Now while you're poking with this, pull that out.
Ah. Out. Yes, ma'am. So if you look, we are off right here. You can't really see, but that is off. So what I do, what I think you should do is go ahead and look at this one. So we have off right there, right? Yes.
Okay, now I would poke that wire into the top one just like it was on here.
In the top one?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So go ahead and poke that wire into that little hole right there. Yep, push, push, push. Oh, and you felt it sink in there? Yeah. Yep, all right. Now, go ahead and do the same on this one with a little screwdriver.
Pull the screwdriver out. Okay, we'll set this switch aside. Put this down here somewhere on a camera stand or whatever. Okay, now take this wire and poke it into the bottom. And that one right there, that's it. That's it there. Yep. Alright, so good.
Yep. Okay, now, what do you think the next thing we do is?
Put this inside.
Yep. So the easiest way to do that is to push these wires back in first. Now make sure the power is still off.
Okay, you want to get your red and black screwdriver. And then I do the top one first, but go ahead and start it with this bolt and this bolt. screw this in, hold the camera.
All right, so it is easier to twist this flat and press it before you put your plate on. Okay, now go turn the breaker back on.
What's a breaker?
So we don't have an actual breaker because this is just a demonstration. And now we have our light back on. We have our original switch that had the black on it. All right, test this switch a couple of times. Couple more. All right.